So, welcome back to my channel, children. Today we will start another poem for revision and multiple choice questions. This is Abu Ben Adhem by Leigh Hunt. So, have you ever woken up in the middle of the night, children, to find an angel in your room? How would you feel if this happens? What if that angel told you that she was writing down the names of those who love God and your name wasn't on the list? What would you do? That's exactly what happened to Abu Ben Adhem, the protagonist of the famous poem by Leigh Hunt. But what Abu does next is what makes his story so fascinating and inspiring. So, in this video, we will revise, as you all know. We will also explore the timeless message of this poem and discover how loving and caring for our fellow humans can be just as important as loving God. You will also get the multiple choice questions in the video later on. So let's dive in. So, first, the poem is as follows. Abu Ben Adhem, may his tribe increase, awoke one night from a deep dream of peace, and saw within the moonlight in his room, making it rich and like a lily in bloom, an angel writing in a book of gold, exceeding peace, had made Ben Adhem bold. And to the presence in the room he said, what writest thou? The vision raised its head, and with a look made of all sweet accord, answered, the name of those who love the Lord. And is mine one? Said Abu. Nay, not so, replied the angel. Abu spoke more low, but cheerily still, and said, I pray thee, then, write me as one that loves his fellow men. The angel wrote and vanished. The next night it came again with a great awakening light and showed the names whom love of God had blessed. And lo, Ben Adam's name led all the rest. So here is a short revision for the meaning purpose. The poem Abu Ben Adhem by Leigh Hunt tells the story of a man named Abu Ben Adhem who woke up one night to find an angel in his room writing in a book of gold. The angel explained that she was writing the names of those who loved God. When Abu asked if his name was among them, the angel replied that it was not. However, Abu did not despair because of this. He asked the angel to write his name down as someone who loves his fellow human beings. The poem, children, emphasizes the importance of loving and caring for one's fellow human beings as an essential aspect of serving and loving God. It portrays Abu Ben Adhem as a compassionate and caring person who prioritizes his love for others over his love for God. In the end, the angel returns and shows Abu the names of those who have been blessed for their love of God. And you know what? Abu's name is at the top of the list. What does it indicate? It indicates that loving one's fellow humans is as important as loving God. The poem's message is a call for people to treat others with love, kindness, and respect, as it is an essential part of living a meaningful and fulfilling life. So, this is a short revision for the meaning of the poem. And as you all know, now we'll start with multiple choice questions. Today I'm not feeling a little well, so my sound is not that clear today, children. Sorry for that. Next question. The story is basically of a Sufi saint who was earlier a king. What is the angel doing in the Ben Adhem's room? So the angel was writing in a golden book. Somewhere you'll find disturbance in the video. Some construction work is going on near my house, children. So kindly ignore that. I'm going a little faster today because the video becomes too long. So if you find it a little faster, pause in between to read the questions. Because I don't want you all to waste too much time. Some questions are very easy. You can go through them quickly as well. Always understand the meaning of the poem line by line. And any kind of question in the exam, uh, you'll be able to attempt it very easily. I don't know in future also board will continue with multiple choice questions or not, but I think for the year 2023 and 2024 it will be there. But even then, you can use them for the better comprehension of the poem as well, just to check whether you have understood the poem properly or not. Because the same kind of questions they ask in comprehension questions as well. In comprehension questions, you do not get options, but the questions are framed in a similar way. This the structure of the poem. No? I have given the options. It is a sonnet, a ballad, a parable in the verse, or a free verse. So it is a parable in the verse. So what is a parable? It's a short story used to illustrate moral or spiritual lessons as told by Jesus in the Gospels. This is the rhyme scheme. Rhyme scheme is the last word of each line you should notice and see the similarity in the sounds. Here it is A, A, B, B, C, C, D, D because the first line rhymes with the second, the third with the fourth, the fifth with the sixth, and so on. So there's a twist in the poem which happens in the end. So alliteration, that literary device, is there in two lines of this poem. There's one more line. You can check by yourself also. Um, you must be remembering that alliteration is a literary device that repeats a consonant sounds at the beginning of the words. So children, this poem, no, this is written in the form of couplets. Couplets means two lines, two lines, pair of two lines. But here it is, there are two types of couplets, closed couplet and open couplet. This particular poem is open couplet. Like, in closed couplet, two lines together give the complete meaning. Whereas here it is open couplet. Two lines make meaning in a way that you can understand the complete sense of the poem. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. So